So guys, let's get into this room. Oh my god. And start to arrange. Everywhere is in a mess. So this is the room or the place I plan to use with the baby. So as you can see, there's very limited space, very small space. And I don't even know how I want to achieve this, but this is where the baby's cot will be, and I just have to arrange it. And this is where I'll be staying. So don't worry, I will show you the look when I'm done. I just wanted to show you people what the space looks like. Very small. I have to manage it. So this is it. The house is dirty. Everywhere is dirty. I'm trying to just put everything together. In fact, I had to put the baby cabinet out there because no space. So you see. Morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? So today is should I say I have one day to my delivery date, and what's the time now? It's past 11 a.m. It's not been long I woke up. I've had breakfast, and today's date is 14th January 2023. So I have today to clean up the house. The house is in a mess. I have today to clean it up, to set up the baby cot. I've packed my hospital bag yesterday to just get everything ready. Then tomorrow I'll use my last strength. Let me not say that word last strength, but then I'll do the things I could not finish to do today. But for today, I'm going to start with, I did the laundry yesterday, but I've not dried them. So I'll start with drying out my laundry, then doing the dishes, cleaning the floors. I'll still cook, still make fruit salad, and then I'll come upstairs and hoover and try to put one or two together. So if I still have strength, I'll wash the bathroom. I just want to keep everything set before going to the hospital. Secondly, my mother-in-law is coming. That's like the highlight of my delivery. Like, that's the best thing that can happen to me right now. So she's coming, but the situation we are having right now is she's coming on the same day I'm delivering. I'm to put to bed. So the plan initially, we thought my date was 17th. We didn't know it was 16th. So we already booked her flight for 16th, so that at least she'll get here before I give birth, so the kids can be with her. You know, everything was already planned that my husband would go and pick her from the airport, and you know, the next day we go to the hospital. But when I spoke with my consultants, I tried to move my date. They told me it's 16th. I tried to move it. They said no, that they've booked people on the other days, so it has to be 16. So we are in a dilemma right now because Uber from that place to this place is over £200. We don't get that money. Like, we've put too much. Like, we've spent too much. You know, when you're trying to bring in a new baby, you know how much you have to spend, especially when you're starting afresh. Her flight ticket alone took all our savings. And because it's BA to and fro, so like, we don't have that money. So we're still in a dilemma on what to do right now. We've not concluded how we're going to do with her because it's a tricky situation. It's not easy for somebody to come down from Nigeria. She doesn't know anywhere. She doesn't know who to call. Nobody to help her navigate her way out of the airport. It's really, if you've been here and you've done this thing on your own, you know how stressful it is. Anyways, that's just it. Let me just go ahead with my day before, you know, I start getting tired, because as I did now, the small thing what I don't breathe non-stop. So let me just do some things. Please stay with me. Don't forget to like my video. Please put me in your prayers. I'm getting nervous. As much as I'm prepared, I'm getting nervous. As the day is going by, I'm getting seriously nervous. And I don't even know how to feel right now. But please put me in your prayers. And I hope I'll be able to upload this video. I hope it doesn't end in the hospital, or I just hope we don't come back with bad news. I feel like crying most times, but I just hold on to my God and believe that He's going to do it for me and my family. Thank you for staying here till this time. Please say something. Please prayer. Drop prayers down there for me, please. I need your support. Thank you so much.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur mig när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balans. Sen baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Den här gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig, real någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balans. Sen baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. Baby, en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om min for life. Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur mig när du säger att du vill testa.
On the lights for me.
Stora
Put on the lights for me, please.
gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag gör vad som helst för att hitta balans. Sen baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Den här gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig, real någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig. När du säger att du vill allt det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.